So in my life, I wasn't always very happy. Even though I was succeeding on things, I was getting those A's in school, and in my social life, I was getting gains in gym as well. But I wasn't so happy. But I figured it out. And in this video, I'm going to show you the one way how you can do it too. So, you probably already heard of gratitude. Now, what the fuck does that even mean? Oh, I just have to be grateful about my life, right? No, it's not that. You're misunderstanding it. When you say gratitude, you're not just grateful, you have to practice gratitude. And that might sound like some religious stuff, but it's not. What actually that means is take a notebook, take a pen, and write down 3 things you're grateful for. Right now, do it right now as you're watching this video. Just take some paper, take your phone out, and write down in your notepad 3 things you're grateful for. That can be your family, that can be the phone, that can be the pen you're holding in your hand, that can be the roof above your head. You can write anything down. You just have to remember your own shit. You can't write what I just said. You don't write that. Write something of your own. Pause the video, write down, and then continue watching. So if you're watching this now, I assume you wrote them down. I really hope you do, bro, because that brings you a step forward today already as you're watching this. So you wrote those 3 things down. They didn't take you more than a minute, did they? Or maybe they did. But by the end of next week, they will not. And what do I mean by that? The same thing you just did right now. Only 3 things that you wrote down. You will write down every single day forever. And you might be like, what the fuck? Why would I do that? And why would you do that? First of all, you are going to write these 3 things down every single day as soon as you wake up. And you're not going to write the same 3 things down. You're going to write 3 different things every day. And you cannot have those 3 things that you just said same in any week. So if I wrote today in this Monday that I'm happy that I have this phone, I cannot write this thing till the end of this week. Every day you need to find 3 new things you're grateful for. I can be grateful for this light. I can be grateful for this hat, for this shirt, whatever it is. You just write it down, bro. Write what you're grateful for. And if you don't find the thing that you're grateful for, just sit there until you fucking find it. And then you will start realizing you're actually maybe happier than you are. You have more things that you got. You have more things that you think. You're happy for many things. You're grateful for many things. You have so many good things in your life that you maybe don't even see because you never thought of it. You always thought about the bad, negative shit. You might ask, why is that true? You have this type of friends, then maybe you should get rid of them. Or maybe you should take them to gratitude too. Maybe you should make them more positive. But the most important thing is you, and you only. You should make yourself more positive. Remove negative stuff from your life, or teach them to become positive. And you have to become positive yourself, because no one is going to do it for you. So, take a notebook, and every single morning, as soon as you wake up, write down just 3 things. It doesn't take you more than 30 seconds. It never took me more than 30 seconds. It never will take you. You wake up, you have this notebook by your bed and a pen. You write down, I'm grateful for this bed. I'm grateful that I got this much hours of sleep. I'm grateful that I get to go to school or to work or wherever you're going today. Or this adventure, right? Boom, 3 things done. Put the pen and notebook back down. And do this every single day. As soon as you wake up. Why as soon as you wake up? Because that's the only way you will not ever actually feel like procrastinating on it. You will wake up. There is a light work task that's gonna take you less than 30 seconds. You just write down 3 things. This. Boom, put it down, you're done. And watch how fucking fast your life will improve. In just 1 week, or maybe 2 weeks at max, you will start feeling so much more happy and so much more fulfilled by your own life. It's gonna be crazy. Like you haven't felt like this for weeks, for months, for years. Bro, just try it out and you'll see. But while you're doing it, never ever fucking forget to keep on chasing your goals. Now you might think, oh, this might put me away from my goals, right? Because I'll be happy with where I am right now. I'm not saying that. You might still want that fucking car that you can't afford. You might still want that girl that you didn't yet dare to ask out. Go and fucking do it, right? But you will be happy with the state of yourself. You will be happy deep inside. And if you're not happy deep inside, if your mental health is fucked up, you will not achieve jack shit. You know why? Because why do you think you feel like procrastinating? Why do you feel like not talking to that girl? Why do you feel like this is hard work to do? Because your mental health is fucked up. And so this is one step towards getting a better mental health. So just do this every day. It's a light fucking task. And watch your life improve. And if it doesn't, come back here and dislike this video. Swear to God. Just do that. If it doesn't work. But if it worked for me, and I'm just a normal human being, it should work for you too, bro. Now while doing it, remember to embrace the fucking pain, brother. Ja!